Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm on a journey of growing my natural hair. I share DIYs of how I've been growing my hair, and I also share DIYs of skincare, so please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And don't forget also to give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be making carrot hairspray. So before getting into making this video, let's talk about some of the wonderful benefits of carrots for hair growth. Carrot is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E. They help to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which leads to hair growth. Carrot also prevents gray hair. The beta-carotene in carrot helps to keep your hair soft and shining. This is another wonderful benefit for carrot. So carrot has lots of benefits for hair growth. So now let's get into making the video. So I've already grated the carrots. You can blend it, so I'm just using this grater. So just to let people also know, even without blending it, you can get the juice out of carrot. So guys, if you've watched the video to this time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So yeah, you can squeeze out the juice, but I'm going to be adding some warm water to it, so the water will be enough for me. So I didn't give any measurement, but just make sure the water is not too much. So you let it sit for maybe 2 minutes and you strain the juice out. So you can also use cheesecloth to strain the water out. So yes, our carrot juice is ready. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to add my herbal oil to it. I have a video of how I made this oil, and I will link it in my description box so you see how I make this oil. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of the oil to the juice. You can use any oil of your choice, and you can also add essential oils like peppermint oil, lavender oil. They are also very good for hair growth. So now I'll be transferring it into my spray bottle for easy application. If you don't have a spray bottle, which I doubt if you don't have, but in case you don't have a spray bottle, you can use this without the spray bottle. Just dip your hand in the juice and apply it to your hair, to your scalp, and massage it. You can see the oil at the top, so before using it, make sure you give it a nice shake before spraying it on your hair, and every time you leave it, make sure you shake it before using it. Thank you all for always watching my video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. Bye.
But I say unto you, love your enemies, bless them that curse you, do good to them that hate you, and pray for them which despitefully use you and persecute you. Matthew 5.